Hi, this is Josh
And Jenna
with Resort TV 1, and we are here for our Disney Treasure Preview Cruise. But first, we actually got to stay at the Grand Floridian.
Yeah, we're so excited. I've only been here once, and I have not seen the newly refurbished room, so.
It's amazing. So we thought we'd take you on a quick little tour. I mean, starting with this behind us, it's so beautiful with
those paintings.
Mary Poppins artwork here.
So
Very understated,
pretty.
but also so beautiful.
Yeah, so pretty. So
let's do it.
And also, we got our badges, or whatever you want to call them.
Yeah, they're media credentials.
There you go. That's the official.
Official
Very cool.
term.
So we're so excited. Big thank you to Disney for inviting us out to, first of all, stay at the Grand Floridian and then on the Disney Treasure.
Yes, we really appreciate that.
So if you haven't seen those videos, go check them out. All right, so we're just coming into the room here, and we're going to give you a little room tour. Got a nice desk, a vanity, whatever you want it to be here, with a huge mirror with Josh in it.
Yeah, hi. Now you're in it too.
Yeah. Oh, hello. So yeah, very nice.
This is very nice.
Little cushy bench.
Little bench here.
Can fit more than one person if you're editing videos. That'd be great, right?
There
Two
you
people
go.
editing.
Or I was going to say people can, do their
Get
hair
ready.
and makeup together.
Right. Actually, there's plugs over there so you can have your curling iron and things.
Yeah. It's nice, pastel artwork with the birds.
Yeah,
here.
I love the birds. It's so pretty. And it's just so nice and light. I like the white accents and everything. And the blues. And right over here, we have coffee. Josh's Coke. But also, look, it's a Keurig. And comes with K-Cups. And you can also make tea as well. And then right underneath here is the fridge. So you can put some things in there.
It's got a window.
Your water and whatnot. Yeah, it does.
No, everything's really styled really nicely. I really like the bluish kind of theme here that they've got going on.
Very
Even
nice.
There's like a chandelier here with birds on it. I just noticed that.
Oh, I didn't notice
Feed
there
the
were
birds,
birds.
tuck in the bag.
That's so cool. Here, let me zoom in. That's so pretty.
And then we've got the what do you call that? A vaulted ceiling, I believe, or is there something?
No,
another
it's
name
not
for that?
vaulted. I
Not
forget what the name
vaulted
is,
means
but
higher, I think.
yeah.
But either way, there's a design on the ceiling, and I
Yes.
like it.
But yeah, and then we've got nice big beds here. I think they're queen.
They're queen.
Yeah. And then the closet is right over here.
Again, kind of nice theming here with birds and
Very
little
nice.
pastel. And when you open both doors, the light comes on.
Oh, how nice is that? You got extra pillows, and I can't see, and robes and things. Place to put your luggage. And then there's one more door over here. Here, I'll head that way. Here we go. Thanks, Vanna White. Got
Appreciate
your safe. And a steamer.
I knew I'd eventually be good for something. Wow, the hairdryer is in a nice
It's
little
in
box.
a box.
there
I'm
in
like,
the
I wonder
safe.
what's in that box. But also, I was telling Josh, I think's really nice is they have these little places to put, your phone, whatever, little, whatever you need there.
Whatever
your
knickknacks you
glasses.
need.
Maybe you're wearing glasses. You want to put those
Whoa.
right there. There's also plugs right underneath to charge your phone.
What's this?
Lights.
It came up right in my eye.
Oh, I bet that was bright.
But actually, you do that.
Yeah.
And you just can read,
Very nice.
which is pretty
Very
cool.
nice.
But no, it's nice, with the bed there that kind of blends into the wall.
Yeah.
Which is very well designed with all
Very
the woodwork.
good. And then, of course, the same thing is on this side with the bed and then the little guy over there to put your phone and whatnot. And, you like all my words.
The little guy.
Little guy. They also have lights and plugs. Wait, are there plugs right here? Oh, yep. Look, they're on the side here.
Oh.
So everybody gets a plug, which is
and
good
they have
because
lights for every.
you got to plug in all the things these
Wow.
days.
We got all the lights on now.
Nice. And then we have the pull-out couch here. So you can actually have math. 5 people.
5 people.
Yeah.
We can show the artwork a little
And then,
better
yeah,
here.
the artwork is amazing. You got Cherry Tree Lane with Mary Poppins flying in. It's so pretty.
You gotta see how this works.
Okay, let me back up first.
Probably should take these pillows off. Yes, I think I should.
Yep. Oh, and there's a nice little table here as well. If you're hanging out on the couch.
So here, if I pull this, like pretty hard.
Oh, there you go.
Wow,
How
look
cool.
at that. It's a transformer.
Okay, that's really neat.
Yeah, so now you've got room
No
for-
more trundle beds or anything like that.
No, and it's nice. I mean, it's a decent, it's not a super thick mattress, but it's thick enough that I
Yeah.
think that would be a nice night's sleep
Uh-huh.
for the extra fifth person.
Extra person, yeah.
And so then.
Now he's
I
got to
guess
figure
you
out how
just-
to...
Oh, that's heavy.
You got this, Josh.
I got this.
I believe in you.
There we go.
Good job.
Yes.
Very
So
nice.
That's how you do that.
You did it.
I did it.
And then we've got the Hey Disney over here. We've got it on mute right now, but you can talk to it and ask it questions and all the things.
And one thing we did notice, it actually comes by default on mute, which is really nice that you don't have to worry about it listening if you're not wanting to use it.
Yeah, exactly. And then, of course, the giant TV with Resort TV on it, of course.
Yes.
Right now, telling us the hours of Typhoon Lagoon. They're closed. And, yeah. Nice vanity with some drawers to put things if you're staying here a while. And I also love this giant carpet that they have here.
That is very nice.
So when you're stepping out of bed, you don't have to worry about cold feet. Which we're in Florida, you don't normally have to worry about that.
No, but it is nice.
It is winter.
Yep.
And we have a balcony. All right, let's head on out to the balcony.
I get to open all the things.
You do. I told you, you're Vanna White. Oh, look at the monorail go by.
Oh, wow.
Green and red.
We have a monorail view, Jenna.
That is super cool. I love
actually
that.
really like that a lot. And
Me
it's got
too.
the Christmas colors on it because we are here at Christmas time if you're watching this
So
later.
pretty.
Oh, it's a monorail crossing.
Is it? Oh, is there another one coming?
There's another one right behind
there it is.
That is pretty cool. So we are on this side, as you can tell. You can see the walkway from Magic Kingdom come around with the street lights there.
Yep.
And then this is the little water inlet here that goes all the way up to Gasparillas.
Yeah, where you can take a pontoon boat or different kind of boats over here.
The rentals, yeah.
The rentals. So, very nice.
It is nice. So we don't have a castle view, but you know what? This is a pretty good view anyway.
It is very nice. And we're only here one day.
Yeah.
Well, we're back in now, and we'll give you a nice, good view of the room from this side. Very, very pretty.
It's just really, like, homey, comforting. You know,
bright. It's very bright,
very bright,
which I love.
Upscale, obviously, like you'd expect from Disney's flagship.
Yeah.
You know, most basically fancy resort. But I think also it's inviting. It's not like standoffish and like, oh, it's too fancy. I don't want to sit anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
It's, you know, it's very comfortable.
It is. Agreed. And we haven't shown you the bathroom yet, so we're going to head in there. They do have a connecting door here if maybe you have more than one room.
Yep.
Got your air conditioning, heating, whatever you may have it on.
My favorite too is this barn door
I
where
know,
you can actually.
isn't that nice?
It doesn't take up any space hardly at all.
Yep.
And you can close the door, and there's no other door that's swinging around here getting in the way.
Exactly.
So that's very
There's
nice.
the door to exit. And then it's also very nice and bright in here, which is amazing. There's a nice light behind the mirror. 2 sinks, double sinks, so you can have plenty of room to get ready. Lots of places to put things, makeup and whatnot. All the towels that you would need. They even have some amenities over here, lotion and a vanity kit, mouthwash, and a shower cap.
That's some cool artwork over there behind you too.
Cool artwork pivot right here. Oh, very nice.
Like
Oh,
Mary Poppins music.
where they're gonna go fly the kite,
Yeah.
right?
I think they meet the penguins there in the imagination.
Oh, is
too.
that what it is?
I think so.
Nice.
I don't remember the whole. I need to watch Mary Poppins again.
And then,
apparently.
yeah, and then we've got the toilet room. Well, toilet and shower, actually. They're in the same room here. So
And
somebody
one thing-
can take a shower while somebody else is getting ready.
Well, one thing we may
here.
want to tell them too. A lot of people want to know about this. They actually do have the conditioner, body wash, shampoo, all that is in dispensers.
Yes.
So it isn't something you can take with anymore. So that is probably better for the environment, less waste and things like that.
Yep.
But, they used to just do that at the value, and now it's everywhere.
It's everywhere. Yeah, you're right. But it has, look at that nice, like, rain and shower head. That's nice.
Yes.
Very cool.
The fan's turning on.
It is.
Must be motion detected.
I wonder. Guys, we were sitting on the couch here, and I just noticed the pillows have some nice details. Look, got the penguins from Mary Poppins and the umbrella. That's really cool. If you don't look very closely, you wouldn't notice. And they're on both sides, of course. Also, we wanted to show you guys what Disney gave us today when we first came to check in. Josh got this awesome magic band. You want to show him?
Yeah, this is really cool. It's got the ship here. Let's focus. There we go. Ship there. And it's got the treasure logo here in several places and on the other side as well. So that is really, really cool.
And the Disney Cruise Line logo.
Yeah,
Very nice. So he's going to be able to use this while we're on board the ship.
I will.
We also got to have a reception dinner tonight, which was nice with DJ and food and all the things. And then when we were leaving, they gave us this awesome bag.
Really cool.
So check this out. This is from The Treasure, brand new merch. Look, oh, focus. There we go. Look how pretty it is and all the details. And then there's also matching ears to go with it.
Yeah.
So matching ears. Very pretty. And they are Loungefly. In the bag, of course, is Loungefly. And then show that little detail inside there. Disney Treasure inaugural sailing.
Isn't that cool?
That's amazing. That is so cool. So a big thank you to Disney for these awesome gifts and the dinner and letting us stay here at the Grand Flow.
Yeah, really, really appreciated having a great time, and we're just very thankful.
We're very thankful. Well, this morning I was checking out the chandelier again and noticed that this bird looked different. And look, it's a penguin. How cute is that? And there's just one. Just one penguin. The rest are birds. I love that little detail. Also gotta love the view here this morning of the water. Don't have a monorail right now, but they've been going through all morning. Here's the little lobby area in the building that we stayed in. Christmas tree and everything. 5 stories high and beautiful. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed checking out our room here at the Grand Floridian. It is beautiful. Definitely a bucket list item. It's amazing.
Yeah, for sure. And just to see the redesign.
Yeah.
Steph and I stayed in a room like this, I think back in 2009 or 2010.
Before I moved here.
But yeah, definitely a long time ago. It was the older rooms, and they were nice, but this is definitely an upgrade. I really like it. I think Mary Poppins fits this resort obviously really, really well.
Mm-hmm.
It's a classic Disney movie. I think, it's very universally loved by everybody.
Oh, yeah.
So the rooms are amazing. If you're staying at Grand Floridian, you're going to have a great time, and you're really going to enjoy the rooms. And again, big thanks to Disney.
Yes.
And we
Thank you, Disney.
Definitely hope to come back again sometime.
Yeah, we would love that. So again, if you haven't seen our cruise videos, go back and check them out because we had, I'm sure, an amazing time.
Yeah, we definitely did.
And definitely give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed. And we'll see you guys soon.
All right, everybody.
Check out all of our awesome sponsors.
Yes.
The links are down below
That's right.
in the description of the video.
All right, everybody. We'll see you next time.
See you soon.
So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Bye-bye. And check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free vacation planning advice. Check out MickeyTravels.com to book your next trip to Disney. Also, if you're thinking about moving to Central Florida to be closer to the magic, the team at Resort TV One Homes, brokered by eXp Realty and in partnership with the Funk Collection, would love to make your dreams come true. Go to ResortTV1Homes.com and fill out the contact form for more info. And if you would like to treat your family to a stay at a Disney Deluxe Villa for a fraction of the cost, go check out David's Vacation Club Rentals at dvcrequest.com/TV.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.